Yuzvendra Chahal, a name synonymous with spin bowling mastery in Indian cricket. Beyond the wickets and matches, there's a compelling story of passion, love, and recent controversies. Today, we delve into the life of the man who spun his way into the hearts of millions. Born on July 23, 1990, in Jind, Haryana, Yuzvendra Singh Chahal showcased a prodigious talent not just in cricket but also in chess. Representing India at junior levels in chess, he eventually found his true calling on the cricket field. Transitioning from 64 squares to the 22-yard pitch wasn't easy. Facing stiff competition and the challenges of mastering leg spin, Chahal's early days were marked by perseverance and dedication. Chahal's breakthrough came when he emerged as the leading wicket taker in the National Under-19 Cooch Behar Trophy in 2009, claiming 34 wickets. This performance paved the way for his debut with Haryana in first-class cricket. His consistent performances caught the eye of IPL scouts, leading to his stint with Mumbai Indians in 2011 and later a significant role with Royal Challengers Bangalore. His international debut in Panta marked the beginning of a celebrated career, with Chahal becoming one of India's premier spin bowlers. In 2020, Chahal's personal life took center stage when he married Dhanshree Verma, a renowned dancer and choreographer. Their union was celebrated widely, with fans admiring their shared moments on social media. Their chemistry seemed perfect, blending the worlds of sports and arts. However, recent times have seen a surge of rumors regarding their relationship. Speculations arose when both Chahal and Dhanshree unfollowed each other on Instagram, and Chahal deleted their shared photos. These actions led to widespread rumors about potential marital discord. While various sources have discussed these developments, it's essential to approach such topics with sensitivity and rely on official statements for clarity. Divorce isn't easy, especially when the whole world is watching. It was a tough phase for Chahal, personally and professionally. But champions don't break, they bounce back. Instead of letting heartbreak affect him, Chahal turned his pain into power. He intensified his training, stayed focused on his game, and let his performance do the talking. With IPL 2025 around the corner, fans are eager to see how Chahal will perform with Punjab Kings. Will he prove his critics wrong? Will this heartbreak fuel his hunger for success? One thing is for sure, Yuzi Chahal is gearing up for the fight of his life. His eyes are set on leading his team to victory, taking crucial wickets and showing the world that a setback is just a setup for a greater comeback. Life is unpredictable. One moment, you're on top of the world. The next, you're facing the biggest challenge of your life. But legends like Chahal show us that no matter how tough things get, the game must go on. Are you excited to see his performance in IPL 25? Drop a in the comments if you believe in his grand comeback.